So as many of y'all know, there is a giant hurricane, and it's headed right for my school, Hurricane Florence. So because of this, we got evacuated, and I was able to come home for like a week because the hurricane was so bad. And because of the hurricane, that it like is just flooding our school, you know, which is bad, but I'm happy because I get to go see my old friends. So right now I'm at my old high school right here. There's a softball field, and I'm gonna go see Sophie and Logan and Margaret Ann and Claire and all of them, and then I'm driving to Molly's college down in Milledgeville, Georgia. It's like an hour-and-a-half drive. I'm gonna go see her, and I'm also gonna see Zoe. I'm so excited, you guys. Let's get on into this vlog. Thank you, Hurricane Florence, for allowing me to go see my friends. Let's get into the vlog, you guys. See him after the game. Okay, that was short-lived.
You know, you gotta live really slow.
I can't go eat. I can't go. Stop! Okay, what do you want to say?
Good luck, Charlie.
Love that. I just want to say I'm glad you have all those new friends at Francis.
Oh yeah, hi.
And they're good on the vlog.
Hi, Margaret Ann. Okay.
Go Patriots.
Bye. I love you.
But
I
forever
love
a
you.
storm.
Forever a storm. You squally.
Thanks, Hurricane
No.
Florence.
Hashtag
That
reunion.
did sound like Molly. She like how she does her crop. She crocks her head and she goes.
I'm going to see Molly next.
Whoa! Cue transition. No.
You're on the vlog.
The vlog. Hey, vlog. The Milledgeville. You know.
Yeah.
You know what it is.
Yeah. Okay. This is Allie.
Or Annie.
Wait, what? No, it's Allie. This is Molly's friend, and this is Alex, Molly's other
back
friend.
and better than
You're not in
ever.
the witness. Are you
Molly
driving?
vlogs.
Are you
Why are you
hashtag
speeding
equipped?
up? I'm trying to get close to the camera. I just wanted to take over like
Oh
my
God,
viewers
Molly
wanted.
vlogs. Ooh.
Last time I was in a vlog and I took over,
Molly was
all
just
the
crying
subscribers, all the subscribers wanted me to take over again.
What's this, Molly?
This is my dorm. Welcome MTV to my crib.
Wow, we've already seen this before.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm sorry, I cut in front of you. Wow.
This is it.
You're such a college student.
I am.
All right, tonight was a good night. We're going to have an awesome day tomorrow. All right, see you tomorrow. Good morning, Jake Pollard.
Yeah.
No.
What is it?
Freedom fam. About to go off on our day and have an awesome day. Zoe's going to meet up with us soon.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeet.
Yeah, yeet. And we're going to meet up with Zoe and have an awesome day. And let's get on into the day, you guys. Hello. Oh my god, so bad. Oh my god. It's cute.
It's pizza crust.
Hello.
Zoe doesn't have bangs anymore.
Okay, well I do actually.
But they're gone right now.
It's hidden.
Can
My
say
forehead is naked and exposed.
it is. It's a little reunion.
Yeah.
Me and Molly like forgot how to talk to cameras.
Yeah, I forgot how to be in the vlog.
Molly's like, oh. All right, we're going to go jump off some stuff right now. Let's go. So we made it in. So this is the rope swing back here. And you swing down and go into that current right there. All right, so now we're going to go catch the sunset. Where?
At Sunset Fields.
Sunset Fields. Let's go.
Take it from me, we're happy to be spending these nights together. And all I want these nights to last forever with you.
Coming up on part 2 of this vlog. This is gonna be awesome, you guys.